Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size. No plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He on my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. My mic's not on either. My mic is on now. Let me just figure out how to get my camera on. I don't even know where my camera is right now. Let me figure that out. Oh, I'm in the public room. Anyone want to join me in the public room? It's open. Okay, so let me get the public camera open. 01. For now, it's just me. So this one? Ta-da! I'm all excited. Okay, I figured it out. Way to go. Time is in the wrong place. Let me just fix that a little bit. And now I don't have enough data series. It's true. What were you calling your giant desk? What were you calling it again? You weren't calling it a man cave. You were calling it something else. Days to load. 1, 2, 3. I guess I got to do minimum 4 if I want to get Friday also, because it can. Wow! Look at the pop-up there, eh? Shit, damn. And what did we do on the close? Doot, 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 doot. Doot, 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 doot. That's weird. What do I look at? Maybe the butter cave. Nah, the trade cave. I don't know. Now you had a really cool name for it. How many people are? Okay, there's not a lot of people in the room. You want to see a preview of? You said you liked. There's not a lot of people, so I won't be ruining the surprise. But keep it as a surprise. Don't tell them. You want to raise your volume, and I'll show you Mike's caricature, Mike's meme. For you know the guy called Mike Stunts, the guy with your last name. Tell me when your volume is raised. Hurry! Yeah, cool. Nobody's in the room yet. It's just you and me. I think. I don't know. His you have to hear loud. I have a feeling you're going to want to redesign yours. Okay. What do we got going? First thing I want to see is the volatility, 8.6 points. Or 8.6 points of range in the 1 minute candles. That's not bad. I'm good with that. We were talking Friday with Mike, how I expected the market to go down because it didn't go down the day before, and we've been following the same exact pattern over and over. And data series, I need 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. This needs 7. Yeah, I'm not surprised. My son was telling me about the tumble. He caught it, actually. He was all excited. He was all happy. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to catch any trades. I think just to hang out a little bit. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Sorry, clicked the wrong button. Good coffee. What's the volume? 21,000. That's disgusting at 7 o'clock. By 7 o'clock, we should be over 40,000. We're going into the doldrums. Gold? Anything in gold? Ooh, look at that moving gold. Whoa, baby. Holy shit, gold was active. At 6 o'clock. Wow, it went down $40 and recovered $25. Oof, I almost want to take a position on gold. Well, I think I had some evals renew, so let's see what I got. Ooh, I got 2 new evals. Well, okay. Let's try one of them right away. Let's jump into a gold. Not sure if this is going to work. Maybe. Let me see. Gold looks awesome. I'm going to wait to see if it starts breaking down or keeps pumping. Well, I got the entry line right on gold. Not sure where the exit line is. 1, 2, that's it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we got to raise it a bit. Hold on, let me try and figure that out. And it's 5, 5, 10, 15. I know you guys don't know what I'm talking about. 5, 10, 15. Oh, it's not in. It's not programmed. Okay, we'll leave it for now. We'll leave it for now. Okay. Hey, Nightbot. Nightbot. Oh, let's change the Nightbot messages. Oh, and Q's coming down. $35. 65% chance you win. And you win. I don't know if I can. Can I? Hold on, let me see the Nightbot message. How did I get? I was playing with the set chips function. So I said, what the fuck? I'll give you 5 million chips. Don't worry. Enjoy them. They're not going to stay there forever. I'm going to start to do stuff. Okay, yeah, deal me. That's just okay. Let's do it, Nightbot. Nightbot can play. Timers. I need a prime number, 7. Okay, it looks good. Nightbot's ready to go. Did it play already? Oh, I thought it played already. No, it played. Nightbot 64 lost. Okay, you know what? I got to give it a few chips. Hold on. I think it's called set chips. Nightbot equals, how many we give him? Well, let's give him 1,500. I think that's the command. Let's see. I'll get a confirmation. There you go. At least he now has some chips. That's funny. That's a creative, that was creative thinking. Did you take any trades? Did you take anything yet? Did you see anything? Wow, look at that. I don't know how to read this, really. I mean, we're really just going up. We had this little retrace. I read the Renkos better. I get to see what we did. See, look at a Renko chart. You have it up? Yeah. Let me widen it up a bit. That's the open over there. Oh, that's weird. F, boom. Okay, this I don't need. Get the fuck out of here. There, this is since the open at 6 o'clock. So it's easy for me to see the moves. One up move, one down move, one up move, one down move. One up move with a fake out and continuation to the up move. We're going up to the previous day's high already. And we're above VWAP. Who's coming down? Yeah, that song's got some creative lyrics. One, it's dealing with the daddy's home. I don't know if you're following the situation with Trump when the head of NATO said daddy's home or called him who's your daddy or something. They started to make memes with it. So I made the song, but of course I had GPT write the lyrics, but I told it, about my clicker. You'll hear it talking about the clicker, and we used to call it an anchor to anchor my brain. It mentions it's cool words. I like it. It's actually specific to my situation, talking about my struggles with discipline. It's not just a random AI song. Yawning already. I guess I ate too much for supper. Okay, I did promise I would move gold over somewhere where I could see it. So let's go to the chart. Template. Save as. What would we call it? Ninja Gold? Ninjarenko Gold? Yeah, that's good for me. Ninjarenko Gold. There we go. And let's add a chart. Which one is gold? 08. Those are nice colors. Wow. I think I might keep this color here if I can figure out where is everything else. VWAP's not showing up. Huh? Okay, that's weird. Let's do it again. Template. Save as. Ninjarenko Gold. Save. Yes. Template. Load. Ninjarenko Gold. There we go. Strategies. Remove. Okay. We're above the previous day's high, Friday. We're coming down to an area that's a good area to purchase. I'll go in for a 6 lot. I like this trade. Stop out. I still like this trade. I'm even going to add. Hopefully we get a bit of a bounce now. Okay, there we go. I have a better price. That cost me $12 to get a better price, but it lowered my risk. I'm back to my 6 lot, and it looks like I am risking, the take profit is the dash line. So it looks, the stop loss, it looks like it's just a little under 25, maybe 24.50. So I'm risking 3 points, and I'm going up all the way to 45. So I'm trying for about 18 points, 6 to 1. Imagine I hit it. Then we're going to say, why didn't I have a 40 lot? Three lots are good. You know what I like about 3 lots? And they say it in the song too, believe it or not. You can get out of 1 for the same amount of your take profit. So that second piece is break even. So you're only risking a 1 lot at that point. And it's pretty cool. Okay, out. Down 45. 6, what did I say? I was $12. I was going for 18 points. 100, 240. That's 24. It would have been a $216 profit, $220 profit if I was right. Gold is in the trade. Can you see gold? MCL, I like to track gold. You need to be on the right account. There's the gold. This is a daily chart, though. I should create you a gold duplicate and new tab. People are going to want to watch. They're probably going to watch something interesting. So let's put it on a 30-second chart. How's that? Watch my 30-second chart in gold. Oh, that was nice. Sell 1. Gold is a demon. Really. I swear to God, I think it's more of a monster than 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's more of a monster than NQ. What are we coming up against? Are we coming up against? No, we're just bouncing off the previous day's low, actually. Let's see on the daily. Yeah, we just broke through the previous day's low. We're not bouncing off anything. Okay, I got 1 left. I'm going to let it go. I'm up $65 on a shitty 4 lot. I think gold will be my 4 lots, and I'll do 6 lots in NQ. I don't have a stop, so I got to figure it out. Okay, we'll put it there. Let's get you back on the 30-second chart. What? Okay. I like that. My stop is 74.3. It's almost $2 ahead of my entry price. I like it. I like it. Uh-oh. That's my stop now. A little higher. Keep going. I gotta learn how to recreate this. 1, 2, 3. I shouldn't be working it manually. I should have an ATM there, an automatic trade management. That's moving the stop for me. Almost $4. That's cool. I give back 2. How spectacular was that trade? I'm pretty impressed with it. And it was easy money, man. Hold on, my stop got another pay raise. We're stalling out in gold, but you never know. It could just take off. While I was dreaming, my stop gets another bump up. We're at 79.1. I have the wrong cursor for this. It's hard to control. You know what? I'm going to move it here. 79.5. 5 points away already. Don't you love when a trade works?
Uh,
1, 2. I don't need to remove my stop yet. We're still. Oh, I was taken out. I didn't even notice. Okay, perfect. I didn't do a sound check. And gold is over, so let us go back to NQ. NQ triggered. Let's get the sound check out of the way.
Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I ran. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild and no anchor, no click.
So what size move was that? That went from 72 to 7. Not even a big move. 72 to 7. Not even a big move.
Watch me grow. You just forgot that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest follow. We on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the D.
I remember how I said I was going to do my sound check, but I think they were pieces. Okay, well, that'll have to be good. Oh, gold light trigger again. Let's get the right mouse.
Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss.
Okay, we're getting rid of the 15. 15 is too big. 15 is not when you only have 2 accounts. Let's make it 6. 6 is 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. And save template, 15 lot, make it a 6 lot. So I think there's really only 2 simple things you got to do, guys. Take your losses. You know, respect your stops. And if you hit a loss, rotate accounts, leave it, come back. Don't let any account get damaged. I'll buy over there if I get hit. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. I'm almost tempted. I am tempted. I'm going to take a 2 lot in gold short. There we go, I'm filled. I'm filled at 80, 40. You can see it up here. Filled at 80, 40. I'm curious what happens if I load the template. I like the colors. As long as it's 30 second, I don't care. Yeah, there we go. 30 second. So you get to see where I went long. I went long here. I took a partial. And then I think we sold the 2.
Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup.
81.1 is my stop.
And I ain't missing a beat.
Oh, I'm already stopped out, but
down, trumped again. Daddy's home.
My size is wrong. 80.9. Okay, look at that. I got it better. Oh no, I did it wrong. Ah, I'm sorry. My lines are bad.
Trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king. Turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking. Price got me sweating. Palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge I knew? Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, 3 lot, clean as snow.
Still trying to get into a 6 lot. It's got to go down about 5 points. And I shouldn't have gotten out of that long trade, but I made a mistake.
Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that. Thought I'd fly, but it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent.
Next, where are we drawing lines? We're not drawing lines there. We're not drawing lines there. Not drawing lines there. We're not drawing lines there. And we are drawing lines there and there.
Click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO. We on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfaction.
Back, short. HFT offset. What's the HFT offset? High from top. I didn't put a description. Short HFT. What HFT? It's too bad I didn't get filled on my 6 lot, eh? Would have been at 10 points already. That would have been 120 bucks. Imagine making 300 bucks in the evening.
Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge I knew? Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click,
close it.
My brain. Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, 3 lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run to your live, click, stamp. Click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO. We on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfaction. And I'm missing the deep. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the
It's
vibe.
Sparky.
Run the alive. Click, step, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He on my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is
Red.
and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, Trump
Short.
again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click,
One more
where's my
time.
brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine
We're done.
traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive. Click, step, click, click, watch me grow.
Okay, we're done.
Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He on my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and ain't missing a beat. Not this again.
Didn't get anything going on in gold since that one little move up.
Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the
Could have had a long trade over here when we got below this dotted line. That's my higher frequency trading line. At that line, it's a mathematically correct trade to jump in, so that helps me with my FOMO and my chasing, because I know we got to get to that dotted line. And my stop out is this line right here. So it's a tight stop. Five, 10, 15. Let's see, 2640. Putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive. Click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow. Futures flow, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO. We on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the D. Oh, let's try it. Oh, couldn't get in.
Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home.
Te veo en la esquina con esa actitud divina. Sabes que no debemos, pero igual lo hacemos. Me distraído, pero estoy bendecido. Cada vez que llegas, eso es perder la cabeza. Every night at 12, I lose my fucking mind. Babe, I'm bushy, can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you make it go.
20, 25, that's a 5-1. Wow. Okay, those are good trades. 5 points volatility. Are we ever going to make a run for Friday's close at 22,740? Are we going to make a run for the all-time high? 22,866. We're 30 points away. We're 30 points away from the all-time high. Let's see if we can get there. 22,866. Just gotta pull a little strong. We can get there. Maybe tomorrow. Sorry. I had to get them out of there. Press the wrong button. Let's see if I get in there. What if I get in there? My stop will be 20. $60. It's gonna happen.
Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one the much you see, try to keep me down, but why? Every time you push me back, so don't ever my sweat it. Tonight I'm breaking free, liking it by feel it coming, feel it rising. Don't let poder dentro de mí, can't contain it, won't deny it. Esta noche vas a ver, esta noche exploto, watch me blow up. Can't control me now, watch me show.
Look at the stop on that trade. The accuracy is going to be low, so expect that. Actually, I'm not even going to put the stop in. Because often I'll get a better price. Let's get one piece out. I need to know what the, I gotta go to the data box. I gotta go see what the low is of this one. 28.75. So my stop is at 28.50 because we gotta break it. There we go, 28.50. Not a 6 lot, it's a 4 lot. Pretty damn close, eh? You know, we can't even see it. It's so on top of each other. Bad colors, black on black. It's not nice. 31.28. It's a 3-point stop. Yep. I can create trades with 3-point stops in NQ. That's amazing. Limit orders, stop market orders. We need a color that's a little bit better. Black is no good, it doesn't show up. I so love the blues, but it's a stop order. Let's go with crimson. Make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 3. There we go. Crimson. We can see crimson on both white and black charts, so let's make them both crimson. Like, you don't even have to watch this trade. I don't even think I'll notice if I get stopped out that I lost money. I have the same trade in the gold market. Very tight stop. Gold, I only trade 2 lots. Let's see if we get some continuation down on gold. Oh, I got stopped out. And then it played with my orders. Get rid of them. Oh, it's true because I have an ATM loaded. But while I'm removing my ATM down here, gold is go gold. Should have done 3. Come on, can you give me a 1 fucking lot here so I can get out of 1? There we go. Oh, it didn't even do that much. Wow. Not sure where my stop is now. My stop is, I think, right there. So, very close to my entry. I color code my chart pink. Maybe we should, what's a better color? So I don't confuse them. Really? Oh, I went long by accident. Oh, and gold is supposed to be 2 lots. Okay, we got 4 lots. Hopefully it'll work out. But I shouldn't have a 4 lot. Hopefully we'll catch a bit of a move. I did say I was going to do 2 lots. We're stuck in this little sideways action. Sir Sam, sup? Sup, Sir Sam? Is that a tongue twister? Sup, Sir Sam? Can I say it 5 times fast, backwards and forwards? Sir Sam, sup, mas ris. Sir Sam, sup. Oh no, backwards is pus mas ris. Pus mas ris. Good morning, Sir Sam. Sir Sam, you want to know what makes this channel different? Nightbot gives you recommendations, doesn't sell you stuff. Number 1. Number 2. For the OGs that stick around, they get their own personal memes. Oh, this is turning into a sick trade. Hold on, we're gonna let it go. Let me just give you an example of what a personal meme looks like. We have a guy called Woodchip. He's one of the main OGs. He's been here for forever. Yeah, we have the Deal Me In game too. But one of our oldest OGs, Skeleton, not Skeleton. Sorry, Woodchip. This is his. And we're going to be starting giveaways soon. You don't even have to be there on the day to giveaway. Show up, keep us company. We have a great stream in the morning. I don't know if you saw any of my replays, my recaps. We have a great stream, me and Omnius. Great trades. Hey, cool. Wow, can you share the strategy? Forget about subscribing. Share the strategy. So hit the sub button. Become part of a good community. Stick around. You'll get your own meme. We call everyone here by their first name. I'm assuming your name is Sam. I'm stuck in a trade. No, I'm not stuck in a trade. That would be wrong. I have the wrong size. That's a mistake. I should have only been a 2. I said I was only going to take 2 lots in gold. And Sir Sam is an OG also then. I'm sorry. Okay, Sir Sam, you got to tell me a little bit about yourself so you can get yourself a meme as well. Like Mike Stunts. Mike Stunts rides, he does stunts on a bike. I'm a 4th grade teacher. Oh, that's going to be a hard one. Mike Stunts is a motocross rider. So when he shows up in the stream, he gets this. Yeah, a little bit of recognition for the OGs. Okay, gold hit my entry to add, but I don't want to add. I kind of screwed myself by taking a too big of a position. So I'm going to try to adjust by selling a couple of what do you call them? NQs? Hopefully, my day won't start spiraling. Does this still work? Yeah, it still works. Oh, gold is out. Gold, get out. Get out. You took $100 from me. There we go. We hopefully lost a little bit less. No, I will not take a trade in the opposite direction. I will go with anything else more exciting than a 4th grade teacher? Like maybe you were the 4th grade teacher that got caught stealing the kids' shoes or something like that. I'm just joking, but you know what I mean. What defines you? Like me, I'm a pizza eater. So if I were to do a meme for myself, which I should, I don't know why I don't have my own meme. It would be me and a big pizza. Probably a big munching sound. Who is Sam? You have to think about it. Who is Sam? Sam. Does Sam go fishing every day after work or on the weekends? Does he love his car? What are you delivering? We can go with something like that. I can do a delivery. Put you, I already see it. You're in like a little old Volkswagen Beetle. It's white, red stripe. There's a number on the door. And whatever it is you deliver, it's on the roof. If it's a food, I see a big chicken on the roof. If it's medicine, it's a pill bottle. If it's people, then you're gonna have a person on the roof in a wheelchair. And your head's gonna be sticking out the window. That's where my brain is going with it. Wow, I'm down $60. I thought I was gonna be up 300. Okay, sloppy trading and one bad dealer 53. Nightbot wins. So did I get an answer? I go for deliveries after school. Deliveries of what? And that's the last piece of information I need. And then you show up tomorrow and you get to see your meme. Come on, dump. Let's get under. This should be on NQ. It shouldn't be on gold. Making my life difficult. Well, I got very tight stop losses on these accounts now, so if this trade loses, this account's finished. Until Tuesday. Oof. No losing more than $200 in an account. Okay, I didn't get info on what the delivery was, so no meme. Still trying. I'm not trying to be a hero or anything. I just want to get a little bit back on this trade. We've gotten under the previous day's high. We should be able to see a bit of a move now. No? Or did they just... What's the range? 5.33? I have a theory. My theory is if I take extreme mathematically edged trades, I can't lose. We're going to test out that theory. Maybe we should test it out with less, though. Let's test it out with this one. Gold has a ways to get to the VWAP. You mean you coded it and you put it in the like the public forum? I'll take a screenshot of that. Yeah. 1 minute in queue. I'm not sure I know how to find strategies though in TradingView. I know how to find indicators that others have made, but not sure about indicators. Once these trades are over, what am I? I'm long 9? Short 9. Once these trades are over, I will go take a look. You will guide me.
Feel the strings vibrating, ancient sounds creating patterns in my mind now, legacy defining. Beats can make connecting, rhythms that protect us, moving through the ages while tiempo me afecta. I guess I'm in my past now, making this our last now. Simple la magia, rising through the sound now. Every string I'm playing gets my heart praying. Para mis ancestors while the
Well, maybe we get lucky. Maybe this is the high. The stop is so close. We are at VWAP. A little dump. Ah. Oof, I'm getting played. Let's go, just dump it a little more. And NQ. I have too much of a position somehow, not happy. Stop is very close, but I don't want to get stopped out. Let's go, you broke the low of the previous candle. You're going the wrong way. Same thing in gold. Gold should be dumping. I'm in this trade in gold. Trying to get a gold with a limit order. I'm out of gold. Now I gotta deal with this. Then I can go load up your indicator and get a personal lesson. So close, looking like it wants to stop me out, but you never know. Oh shit, I have 18 lots. I thought I had 9. Oof, I gotta cover an 18 lot. I think I'm getting out of my 18 lot. If I can. 11, 7, 5. How's the Sunday session going? Not bad. I got caught in a couple of trades where I oversized. My fault. So I'm green, I'm happy. Trying to stay committed to the right size. 2 lots in gold, 6 lots in NQ. But I want to go see. There's the strategy that Sir Sam was talking about. See if I can find it. So let's see over here. So we go here, we go to, this is the way I know. Oh, you can't see my screen. This is the way I know how to get it. Sir Sam. I go into indicators. I go into community. And then I do a search for CTP. And we get the CTP 5-minute scalping strategy version 2. I don't see it. I don't see where it is. I got you, huh? That's it. Were you shaking your head and saying, what a fucking moron? Okay, so now I make it a star. There, it's a favorite. Sweep on next. Let me get rid of what I have. Price channel. You know what? I'm going to keep up the price channel. This I like it. And it's on the 1-minute chart. That is what you said. Let's keep it on the Qs for now because I don't have live data for the futures. And indicators, CTP, click it. Do I have to double click it? No, it's on. Get rid of. Now I need a lesson in setting it up. I got inputs, properties. Woo! It's a busy one. Style. I see there's 3 EMAs. I see shapes. I see short position, position background. Okay, visibility. That's just the chart that it's on. Let's go to inputs. Are the defaults good? Maybe I just put it on the defaults. And in the meantime, let me get rid of price channel because it's a pretty big indicator. Okay, keep everything like that. Everything the defaults. Okay. The Qs didn't collapse? Oh yeah, they did. So basically the way it's looking to me right now is it's just three moving averages. How would you recommend we use it? Good coffee. What are the rules? The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like haters not just they galore and everyone share the floor now writing my own story so a bit of of what they think I should be just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suena suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Yeah, I'm increasing the long, the opacity of the long, the opacity of the short. Let's give it a little fatter line. Oh, no, that line is good. Let's give it a little fatter line. I like fat lines. Okay, so defaults, save as defaults. I didn't change anything. Does it go back historically? Like if I go like this, I see there's an up bar, below bar, above bar, arrow. But I don't see any. It only starts tracking from, oh wait, no, I saw something. Let me just make sure I'm on the 1 minute. Okay, I have 2 buys. I don't see where the sell is. The buys are underneath. Below bar. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Of course. Then you sell above bar. Okay, correction breakdown, no sell. I mean, there's been no sell since Thursday? So we're long since Thursday. We stayed long through all this. It's a diamond hand strategy. Wow, I mean, nice. I'm feeling rich already. But I don't see any sells. I see like it's accumulated like 1,000 trades already. Where are we? We're in June 25th. Your plan only sees 5,000 bars. Or is this a sell? I don't think that's a sell because it didn't indicate that kind of a bar. No. Are you sure it runs? Check the overview. I don't know what overview is. Sorry, I'm not what do you call it? I'm not a TradingView user. Overview. Is it something in here? Hide, settings, remove. Boom, 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 boom. No, I didn't see overview. Oh, overview down in the bottom. Can you see it? Overview, black. I click it, nothing happens. What about performance? Maybe I gotta raise it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, maybe I just had it too low. Overview. Okay. Let's bring the overview up. Make it a little smaller. I lost my overview. There we go. How far can I go before I lose the overview? Oh, about there. List of trades. Well, I'm seeing 9 trades, $2 profit, 66%, but I'm still not understanding. CT buy 546. Let's start down here. Entry long. plus 33, plus 75, minus 15, minus 9, plus 17, plus 36, plus 76, plus 12, and 0. Okay, I mean, that's cool, but that's only 9 trades. Statistically significant is like minimum 30, and I would require 100. So can you run this on a bigger back? Oh, maybe I can't because I can only run it on 5,000 candles or something. Because I don't pay for the thing. I'm going back to June 9th. Okay, so I get it. If I go back to the chart, there's no sells. When you said there's no sells, you didn't mean there aren't any selling trades. It's just there's no short trades, but there were selling trades. You did get out of your longs. For instance, what's this last one? The most recent one. You got in 546.23. Oh, you got out also. So let's open it up and see. 1815, 1837. 1815, 1837. Whoa, excuse me, 1815. You have it trading at 6 o'clock at night? But then the thing is, I don't see the exit. I don't see what would indicate to me the exit. 1837. Here. At 546.23. So at the open of this candle, yeah. But you bought twice? You bought here and you bought here? Because it only indicates once on the it shows that you bought at 8:15. Doesn't show that you also bought at 8:23. I see your NAT. Just shows you bought at 8:15. So you get in once, even though it confirmed more of a trade. Okay, great. Now I just clicked something and I don't know where I am. I just got here. I just got into trading panel. Uh-oh, Sam. Overview is gone. Anybody know how to get it back? Strategy tester. Ah, there we go. Okay. Pine editor. How come I don't see the code? Or do I have to click add to chart? No. Anyways, I will, who played Deal Me a Nightbot? I'll take a look at it. I'll keep it up there. Day by day. Save. Close. We'll see how it goes. If you ever want to come into the Discord and jump into the group chat, the public chat, yeah, I'm in it now. Not now because there's nobody around, but you know, if you show up in the daytime and there's like 10, 12 people and you feel like chatting about it, sharing your work, you're welcome to show up. Let's take another one of these sell limit 3 trades. I'm short. Not long. And that's my stop. Kind of stuck on view up, eh? Did you ever run it for a decent sized back test? Like I said, I don't get a lot of data, but if you pay for TradingView, did you run it on a back test of like 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year? If you did, what was the profit factor? Was it over 2? If it's a good system, the indicators are available in Ninja Trader. If it's just based on the moving averages, some kind of logic with the moving averages, I can maybe code it in Ninja Trader. If not, what's his face? Omnius probably can. Am I in the right direction for NQ? Not yet. I'm long gold. That was a bad trade in gold. A FOMO'd. I didn't wait for the dotted line to be touched. So if I can get 20 bucks out of it, I'll take it. Same here. You know, 20 plus 20 is 40. It'll give me a bit of a start for the evening. Come on, both of you. 40 is not a lot. Obviously, I'm not going to hit my 300 today. They're both so close. Now they're not both so close. Gold is close. Gold needs just a little pop. I'm looking at to get out at 77.7. It's at 77.5 on the offer. And I can't really see what I'm bidding in NQ, but there we go. NQ, throw in my 20. Let's go gold. Pop, give me another 20. Then we'll work at getting in at better prices. Yeah, gold definitely, there we go. Gold didn't wait for a better price. Woo! Tired. What time is it? 8:12 and I'm this tired? Oh. NQ is kind of showing some weakness. A little bit of stalling action under view up. I could see it. Let's pop a little more and I'll take my 3 lot. There we go. That's the mathematically correct trade. Quick, move your stop. There you go. That's my stop. How's that for close? So 19 and 1950, 24. It's not even a 5-point stop. First target is 8 points. Second target is 16 points. And then it holds another one, holds a runner. Doesn't mean it'll be a winner. But 8 plus 16 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. So the first two trades average TP is 12. I'm risking less than 5. So it's a 2.4 to 1 just on the first two. It is. It is. You just gotta wait a few minutes. And then I'm taking off my shirt and I'm belly dancing. He just left. Yeah, but they gave me the maracas. Ah, you gonna stop me out again, you motherfucker? Why is my chair stuck? Okay, stop me out. I don't care. See if I care. Look, Nightbot plays Deal Me In. You see what happens when you have AI? Okay, I like this trade. When you have AI, it starts to want to trade. It starts to want to gamble. Omnius, go check your Discord. I left you a ton of shit. You should check it every now and then. It's rigged. Yeah. Everybody says that. Okay, Omnius, since you don't go, I'm gonna go have fun. Not home, on the phone. Perfect. Here's a thumbnail idea I had. You know about the Daddy's Home meme with Trump? At NATO, they called him Daddy, or they said Daddy's Home, or I don't know, Daddy's your man, or who's your daddy? They said something about Trump. So I'm working on that theme here. Daddy's home, the boss is back. The boss is back is another one they say about Trump. But I didn't use that for my video yet because you didn't approve it. So for my video for now, I'm using this one. New Daddy Home dropped, and we got Trump in the exchange. Until you approve the other thumbnail. I like this one. Okay, so there's that. And then there's my new song. Let me get my new song. Did you hear my new song? Let me try and pull it out somewhere. Let me try and pull it out of my ass.
Not this again.
But did you watch it all? Did you see wood chip go by the screen? Really? You're gonna make me fucking lose? Like this is a valid trade. I'm only up 11. I don't want to lose. We're still stuck under view up, eh? funny, the VWAP on the Ninzarenkos. Oh, you guys don't see the Ninzarenkos. The VWAP on the Ninzarenkos is down here at 22,810, but it's like 10 points higher on the 1 minute chart. Anyways, the 1 minute chart is the right one.
Cuando estás en mi mirada, los minutos pasan y las reglas se traspasan. Es una locura, pero vale la aventura. Midnight is my school, y el momento está perfecto.
Yeah, it's my new intro and outro.
We break every law
Yeah, it talks about my clicker, my 3 points.
for more.
I used to call it my anchor. It even used that. I like it. It's a personal song. Somehow, without even me asking for it, it snuck in something about Luna trades. And I got into Luna's trade. I never mentioned Luna to GPI, so GPT. I guess they just picked him out of a hat. Okay, we wait. Well, 5.89 points. Average range on the 1 minute candle is not really crazy. So, given that I'm 8 points away, that's kind of like minimum 3 minutes if it goes.
Every night at 12, made by mercy, breaking all the rules.
This stop, if I'm not mistaken, is here now.
See my virtue, she the get-go. Can't stop, won't stop, baby, it's central.
It's taking too long to go, so let me get out of a little piece and just lighten up the risk because it's not doing anything. Oof, now I'm down.
Been holding back too long, pressure building up inside. You're not one for
Wow, that coffee was good. That was one of the best coffees I had in a long time.
Tonight I'm breaking free, liking me body. Feel it coming, feel it rising. Don't let poder dentro de mí. Can't contain it, won't deny it. Esta noche vas a ver. Esta noche exploto, watch me blow up.
Ah, way.
Can't control me now, watch me show.
I need a pen to chew on.
Did you know me now? Gotta figure it out, please. Subestimaste mi poder. Now just watch and see. Every limit that you set, solo me hace crecer. Breaking through the walls, ya no marcha atrás. Yeah. Slow it down, still I'm burning.
Ting.
Got me turning.
Let's reduce a little risk up here. If it'd be the height of candle, if we can reach it. Yeah, good enough.
3, 2, 1.
Actually, you know what? The dotted line is the next candle, so let's sit on the dotted line.
Esta noche exploto, watch me blow up. Fire.
Wow, I thought it would be easy money this evening.
Watch me show.
But no.
Ya no hay vuelta atrás. This is who I am. Exploto,
Exploto.
watch me blow up, bang. Hey.
Oh, I see it's going up on the other screen. Not enough. Still going up.
2 de la mañana, mi mente no para. Turning the circles again while the world's getting darker.
Still going up.
When your memory hits me, they call myself yes.
Hey, you still there, Omnius? Did you see the video I sent you? I don't even remember what it was, but it was funny. It was fucking funny.
Looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Que no dream but they all look like you. Como tú, so the blue. Can I see but they all look like you.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. 5-point range. I've seen it much slower, than half as slow as that, double as slow as this when it goes into a 2-point range. Oof! And especially now we're stuck right at the Friday's high. So, didn't get anything yet still? At least I only have a 4 lot.
Watch me break your plans. First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every ex I got still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please.
Got me take profit.
Plenty try before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing matches till the whole damn thing gets burned. That the fire in my blood is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can. Sola por ejemplo, no hay quien me controle. Tonight I might lose it. Better pray.
No! Omnius, you just got me a copyright strike, I bet. Your fucking music on your TikTok. I don't have my what do you call those? The Bluetooths in. It's okay.
Fuck around and catch this attitude tonight. Got these demons in me making shit go right. Everyone is sign I gave you flash red hot. Still you coming closer, better give it all you got. Break your heart became my favorite fucking smart. Leave them begging, leave them crying, that's my last resort. Thinking about what it takes to keep up with me. My tomorrow you'll be just another memory. Watch out since the day that I was born. Raise myself on gasoline and thorns. Need to match this energy I bring. Or get the fuck about my fucking ring. Sideways por siempre. That's the way God made me. No me puedes domar. I'ma force you to take control. Déjame volar.
Trying to get to my take profit. Come on, give it a fucking spurt for 2.5 points. 1.5 points. There we go. Why is it on the speaker?
Con mi música contigo en la mano, por las calles de Madrid temprano, buscando almas que entiendan la magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando.
Okay, 78.22, not bad.
Sientes lo que siento entre el ayer y hoy.
I have another entry at 27.
Quien baila conmigo en la plaza.
If I can get in at 25, I'll take this trade. I know I just got out of a trade, but if I can get in at 25, I'll get in. Even though paint is drying. We got 28 3/4, 28.50, 28.5, 28 3/4, 28.5. On the bid, we're still far away. 29. Going the wrong way. Man, it was a good day today. I mean, relatively speaking, right? Hold on.
Quien siente el ritmo en casa, mis puedas antiguas con salsa. Quien baila conmigo, baila conmigo.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me?
I got a little trade in gold here. Didn't I say I was going to change the color? I'm very close to getting stopped out. 77.9. Oh boy, there it is. But my size is wrong again on the thing. 77.9, there it is. So if I get filled, I got the exact right price. That was a quick trade. Maybe we should make gold gold. Put the background gold on gold. Properties. It's so hard to find a good color for a background. That's too strong. But I need a different color. Because if I don't have a different color, I could confuse it with NQ. Let's see that. Make your own. Make my own. My own short? Okay, I'll try. Wheat. Wheat is no good. Moccasin. Moccasin's not bad. Background. I'm trying. Gold. Gold is too dark. Too sharp. Too contrasty. Khaki. Khaki's not bad. Kind of mustardy on my screen. Yeah, nah, pick's no good. This is, I guess, good. We'll go with that. Data series. Let's put a body outline white. I always like a white outline. Wheat. Apply. Shows up a little bit. Cool. It's not bright enough. Let's make it white. Azure. There we go. A little nicer of a chart. Data. What's the down color? It's black? Okay, then royal blue is too dark. Let's go with light sky blue. And bar width. Body outline, too much. 1. Candle wick. Should be 3. I like to see the candle wicks. Apply. 2. And bar width 2.
This feeling, baby, let it flow.
Hey, you know what? It's funny, the black, it looks blue to me. I mean, I'm colorblind, but it looks blue to me. Let's go green. Let's go for some kind of green on the way up. Let's go with, I like forest green. Olive drab. Olive drab is good. It doesn't show too much. Data series. Bar width 4. Make them a little bit thicker. There we go. Maybe even 5. While we're waiting for a trade, I'm up $65. On this quiet night. Gold. That was a good long trade. I didn't hold it good enough. I'm going to get better at holding. Did you see on Friday when the markets were roaring higher and then I took a long and I got the top? I top ticked. I like your short. I have bad news for you. I'm going in with you. This is an impulsive, stupid trade. Because I'll tell you where I should be getting in. I should be getting in at 32.78. That's where I should be entering. But I'm bored. And that's not an excuse. Just like if I'm going to enter in long on NQ, I should be entering in on the dotted line. On gold, there's a dotted line. That dotted line is 32.78, which means the stop is very close. Let's see if there we go. I got one piece out. Because it's a stupid trade for me. It's not a stupid trade. My entry was 80.3. Well, you know, every time you have a really good entry, you know what button I have to press, eh? Every time you brag about a really good entry. So if you get sick of it or you don't want to see it, don't tell me where you entered. $75.4. At the moment, my cheap entry is at 76. I'll just put the chart up over here. So the dotted line tells me where to enter. Hold on. Yeah, the dotted line tells me where to enter. The top line is my stop, and my target is there. So I have built-in levels for really strong mathematical trades going with the trend, assuming no change of direction on the Renko bars. That's a really good place to enter. Yeah, you're likely to get stopped out. But if you're really good at holding, you don't even get out over here. Just let it go. Like if you can get an early one, like right here, that one for sure touched the dotted line. You didn't have to get out here. You could have made a ton more. And this is about a, I don't remember exactly. It's about 5 cents for 20. It's a 5-to-1 trade. 5-to-1 trade built into the chart, so I can just watch it. I can even put my limit order right there, actually. And put my stop just above it, just in case it stops me out instantly. So 75, stop at 75.6. Let's just see where my buy limit would be. 72.5, so 2.5. There, I'm in. We'll watch what happens. You can watch it on the yellow chart on the top. In the meantime, I'm going to watch NQ. What I like to do is I like to take one piece off if I get like a buck or something. Whatever. Just to lower the risk and make it a risk-free trade. And then you're holding the other one for free. Like now. There, that's 0.8 if I get out. And I'm only risking 0.6 on the other piece. So it basically makes it a free trade for me. There you go. Now I have a free trade. Even if I get stopped out. That's beautiful. That's the best you can ask for. That's how you get scalable. I mean, I don't have to tell you. You're a good trader. But that's how you get consistent, good results. Wow, this yellow is making me think of banana. Artificial banana. Dealer 72, Nightbot 51. Dealer 77, Mike 37.
La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me.
Bailo solo, solo, solo. Con el silencio
Up.
a mi lado.
They're gonna get me. 1, 2. Why am I long 1? Did I have a stop for a 2 lot? Anyways, whatever it is, it's an error. I guess I put my stop wrong. I sized it wrong. That would be my guess.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, me living
25, 26.
in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, solo, solo. Aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on, los sabes demasiado. Bailo solo con mi soledad, y en este salón torcido. Bailo solo, no necesito más, aunque recuerdo.
Gold was not a long. NQ was a long. I was in on it. I didn't really catch it. Gold will be a short. Tempting short. Nope. Didn't go short.
Makes everything feel so right.
Hey, you know what? If I do anything else today, let's use the trade copier. The hell with it. Who cares?
Bailo solo con mi soledad. Bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más. De recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
Okay. So it's going to trade twice as large in the other account. Let's see how that goes. Never really goes well, but I don't really care.
In this empty space,
I'm much better with the trade copier now. Oh, chat's disappeared. Sorry about that.
loses by
I don't know why it's disappeared.
no one else to see, just me.
There, it's back. I'm out of coffee. Okay, given that we're going double, let's go with 3 lot in gold. That should be enough. And for now, let's take no, that's chasing. I was gonna say take a 1 lot in gold. Let's go back to NQ. Gold, we don't need these lines. I'll keep them for now. You never know. Okay, there's something going on. I'm going to be back in about 2 minutes.
They watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, me libertad in this quiet space, just me.
Baila solo, solo, solo. Aunque silencio orillado.
Listen on,
empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgotten fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just they galore and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. The freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Igual.
Okay, I'm back. Just gotta get the camera up. Figure out where it is. I always forget. Did it work? Ta-da! We're back on. Anything? Anything? Gold still slowly rising, but it's in bearish land for me. Take a look at it on the 1 minute chart. Yes, guys, you're going to have weird colors. Anyways, right now it's bearish. I'm waiting for the next trade lower. It's going to put me near VWAP and on NQ. You know what? That's a sucky color. I'm sorry. Let's just make it a gray. Let's go for black or something a little bit less than black. How about like one of these slate grays? And get rid of the candle body outline. Maybe just make it 1 and make it dots. That looks kind of cool. Not really. Data. Wick. Wick should be white. 3. Apply. Good wicks. Candle body outline. Gray. Solid. 1. Apply. Okay, we're going to go with that. Market's quiet. Well, what happened? Why is nothing moving anymore? It's after. Oh, it's not 9 o'clock yet. I was going to say it's after 9 o'clock. So we opened quite a bit higher. Never really came down. Never even tested this at all. Didn't even test this low. Traded higher. I think we stopped just a little bit higher than Friday's high. So we're not getting to all-time highs. I'm off. Have a good nap. You too, Mike. Have a good night. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. We got back above VWAP. Let's see what we do.
But your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag.
Walk it up, make the floor say. Head over lot, don't need to explain. Start riding, baby.
I guess I'll stick around until 9:30.
Fever got me shook. Body talking.
I love you too. I love you too, Mike. Let me go see who that is. No, it doesn't show. I don't know who that is. Oh, look at that. We got a trade in gold. Let's do it for a one lot. Hey, hello, JC. I'm already stopped out. That didn't take too long. How come you have flowers after your stuff all the time? Okay, still no. Where's my copier? I'm in a gold trade. Let's see how we do in gold. 2 lot, that's the proper size. I did want to see something. Oh, you actually have a flower as part of your name. That's interesting. Gold's going the wrong way, being nasty. I forgot what I wanted to check. Oh yeah, the copier. Why is the copier not working? That's why the copier's not working. Yeah, it's okay. Perfect. Perfect. We still didn't get the second entry, so we'll let it go. Hopefully it'll come in our favor. But it's pretty quiet. But coming up to 9 o'clock. But we're not getting a lot of movement. But it's 9 o'clock in 4 minutes. Nightbot, deal me in. Go Nightbot. Nightbot 39. Nightbot wins. 3,900 chips. Good job, Nightbot. Let's add a 2 lot, sell limit. And let's make sure we're covered. Buy stop. It's going to be a 4 lot. So that last piece we add has very limited risk. Well, nothing going on. We're waiting. I thought I'd be able to make $300 tonight, and I'm only up 52. And if we get stopped out, I'll probably be slightly red. Okay, not a lot of people in the room. You know what that means.
Moving faster, Spanish streets, strings and drums may keep complete. Past to present, watch me spin, where my journey will begin. Ruedas cantan melodías, taking me to otros días. Feel the rhythm in my blood, moving like a rising flood. Bailando through the centuries, connecting souls set them free. Bailando, bailando conmigo, ancient riddles make me whole. Bailando, bailando, moving through space and time. Bailando, bailando contigo. battle calls to me through the sounds of history, string by string and beat by beat, making past and present me. By the sing, but I'll let the music take you far. I'll feel the strings begin to play as the centuries fade away. Oye, escucha el sonido, listen to the strings unfold. Se te peli motivo, every story being told. Vamos, sigue bailando. Bailando through the centuries, we're making souls set them free. Bailando, bailando, río, ancient rebels make me whole. Contigo, baila conmigo through time, baila conmigo through space. You let the music show the way.
That didn't even work. What are we looking at? Oh, gold again, eh? Let's try and get in gold. Let's try and get in another piece for gold. Okay, and we will add a 4 lot right here. And we will stop out an 8 lot right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, this comes down to here. As we move a little bit lower, that moves down to there. Oh, we're going. There. 4. To be honest with you, I want to take a piece off. There we go. 2. This becomes 2. This becomes 4 because we're going to add 2 very close to our stop. That will be right here. Oh, it's moving so fast. Yes, I need to automate it. Okay, there we go. We're right in the winner. I should move it on to another chart. You're watching the bottom. Let's get it to be about the same size. Let's see if we can do that. It'll help. And I can just overlap one over the other. And I want to put it up. There we go. That's the gold. Okay, so there we go. Now this goes here. And this goes here. That's not an 8. That's a 4. Order canceled. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can have it continue to trade lower. It's a nice little highlight reel trade. You know what we're going to do? We're going to take a little bit more off. 1 and 2. The trade copier is working perfect. You are now 1. And you are now 2. Let's see if we can get more out of this. So you have 2 gold charts. And in the meantime, while we're waiting,
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high,
60
trapped in
bucks.
disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was
keep
down
adjusting
bad
my
last
orders
week.
lower.
Too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now they're
Clicking.
dopamine traps. Got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro. Let that setup bake. Waiting for the
Okay,
moment,
we
let
got
the
it.
market break.
Go lower, go lower. Yeah, motherfucker took us out.
Click,
Okay.
click, where's my brain?
Click, click.
Daddy's home, we trade with aim.
So let's get rid of the gold.
No more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on, fam, that's not the vibe. Run to your live. Click, stamp, click, click. Watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO. We on a roll. He in my eye, it's like it's satisfact. And on a missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest follow, we on a roll. He and my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest follow, we on a roll. He and my oil like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that Luna move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I ran. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, then we trade wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run me alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that Luna move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I ran. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, then we trade wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run me alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat. Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on man, where's the edge I knew? Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets spent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run me alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest fall home, we on a roll. He and my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. In a beat, not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro, this gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like come on man, where's the edge I knew? Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets spent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run me alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest fall home, we on a roll. He and my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade, game elite. the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
Okay, that was fun. 159, 328. Oh, there's another trade in gold, maybe. I was going to check out, but let's see if I can get filled. You know what's the best way to get filled? Put it in a limit order. There, you can watch my limit order. You can watch my limit order and you can watch my stop. One lot's enough. I'm ready to quit. See if it goes up to 32.85. I'm gonna go. I'm tired. Started at 6:30. Only the Stunt Brothers showed up. And Super Sam. Or Sup Sam. Oh no, Sir Sam. He showed up. And Omnius. Okay, 4 people showed up. Not too bad. Let's see if I can get 10 bucks out of this. 11, 12 bucks. That would be cool. Plus the copying account, which is double. If I can get 12, that would be 24 on the other one. 36. Almost 40 bucks. There we go for like a half a second. Close. Go fuck yourself. Good enough. Added a little bit more. Doesn't look like we did, but anyways, whatever. I don't remember what I was on the other trade. Okay, we're done. I will see you tomorrow morning, 9:15.
Not this again. Tried to size down Trump again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, outs lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp. Click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home, in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.